Okay, I'm leaning on a very dirty truck, lots of grime and dirt. I should actually take better care of it, but I have a cool new product to test out. This is from SwiftJet. This is a foamer which actually works with your regular garden hose. No compressor necessary, just take this, hook it up, attach it to any garden hose, and we should have amazing foam to clean my delicate little car. It actually has 6 different settings and a rinse setting, so should be able to do everything effortlessly and easily. And it even includes a microfiber hand mitt, so you can get all those nooks and crannies clean. What do you say we clean this, make sure it actually works, and we'll come back, talk about it. I gotta say, totally exceeded expectations. Every one of these that I've worked with in the past always needed to be hooked up to a power washer, especially my house. We don't have a ton of water pressure, so I was a little worried about it, but you saw how it worked. It worked great. The foam was great. It was sticky. It was perfect. The different adjustments, clearly all different, right? Like you control basically how much water you wanted, how much foam you wanted, and the rinse feature worked perfectly. So I'm gonna say if you're looking for a great basic foam unit that works off your garden hose, you cannot go wrong with this. Not sure what else I could tell you. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.